Nah ini guys, untuk instalasi kamera mundur menggunakan universal di mobil apa namanya Agya seri GR ini guys. Kita menggunakan kamera universal, cuma untuk yang biasanya universal kan soketnya seperti ini guys, RCA. Terus di sini ada kabel reverse. Nah, ini kita potong, kita langsung jumper ke sini. Zoom mas. Di sini ditambah dengan soket kamera yang PNP juga bisa. Cuma budgetnya agak tinggi guys. Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi di Jack Audio Channel guys. Kita project hari ini ada Toyota Agya GR. Ini mobilnya masih baru guys, masih grace, bahkan masih plastikan semua. Plat nomor belum keluar. Rencananya mau ditambahin kamera mundur. Bagaimana pengerjaan dan hasilnya, kita lihat selengkapnya.
I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life. Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working effects. Yeah. I never take doubt as a lesson, I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain, ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins, got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you're always stressed. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. So watch me. So
got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this train direction, cause it runs without an engine. Oh, when did I fail to mention that I need all your attention? Cause we're failing in retention. Listen up or just forget it. I ain't here to spit perfection.
Ini kita menginstal jalur kamera dulu guys. Kita install menggunakan kamera yang universal di mobil Agya TRD yang terbaru ini. Terus nanti mengambil soket dari lampu mundur.
You decide your own future, a winner or a loser, a headline or a rumor, on the bench or a shooter, superstar or recruiter, defense or prosecutor, just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? If you have a dream, go capture it, go activate, get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate.
Ini pengambilan jalur kamera mundurnya guys.
You need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter. Shit, just block them out and capture it.
Kabel positif dan negatif kita sambung ke lampu mundur.
I don't ever doubt myself. I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell, so watch me. Watch me. I don't ever doubt myself. I can count on no one else.
Oke, untuk tahapan selanjutnya setelah instalasi kabel dari mana? Dari belakang tadi, kita buka frame-nya untuk Agya seri GR ini guys. Caranya seperti ini. Tekan pakai tarik pakai dua tangan tapi dengan feeling guys. Nah, ini udah terbuka. Terbuka, kita taruh aja di situ nggak apa-apa, yang penting aman, nggak sampai baret ke panel yang lain. Ini kita buka juga guys. Setelah itu kita lepas skrup pengunci double din bawaan Ayla GR ini guys. Di sini ada 4 biji skrup. Nah, sekarang udah terlepas, tinggal kita angkat guys. Aduh, kita lepas soketnya ini guys. Ini ada soket steering control untuk ini tombol-tombol setir di sini. Soket yang ini soket untuk speaker depan dan juga speaker depan dan arusnya guys, baterai, ACC sama ground. Terus yang ini untuk kabel speaker belakang. Oke, nah ini guys untuk instalasi kamera mundur menggunakan universal di mobil Agya seri GR ini guys, kita menggunakan kamera universal. Cuma untuk yang biasanya universal kan soketnya seperti ini guys, RCA. Terus di sini ada kabel reverse. Nah, ini kita potong, kita langsung jumper ke sini. Zoom mas, di sini mas. Nah, ini zoom ke sini. Nomor 1 yang dari arah kiri ini, yang merah ini positif video, yang hitam ground atau negatif video, dan ini kabel reverse-nya kita langsung sambung ke jalur untuk head unitnya ini guys. Udah begitu tok, simple. Kalau ditambah dengan soket kamera yang PNP juga bisa, cuma budgetnya agak tinggi guys. Nah, ini tinggal proses penguncian ulang atau perapian guys. Cuma nanti kalau teman-teman pasang sendiri jangan lupa dites dulu, daripada bongkar lagi nanti setelah terkunci guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Ini kita coba dulu ya guys, pengetesan kamera mundurnya setelah terpasang. Ini kita masuk ke gigi R. Nah, di sini udah tayang sesuai dengan hasil yang diinginkan guys.
Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being